Hello traders, welcome to a new video at Easy Trading channel. In this video we will see a strategy with some amazing TradingView indicators. We are going to use 4 indicators, an exponential moving average, half trend indicator, bull-bear power trend indicator and buy and sell pressure indicator. The time frame will be 4 hours, but you can test this strategy in lower or higher time frames as the market is fractal. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It is very helpful to continue growing and allow us to offer more similar content. These are the indicators that we will use in the strategy. Exponential moving average, EMA. Half trend indicator. Bull-bear power trend, BBPT. Buy and sell pressure, BSP. These are the settings for the indicators. First indicator is an exponential moving average of 200 period. If price is above this EMA we only take long positions, and if price is below the EMA we only take short positions. Half trend indicator gives us the main signal to enter the market. Blue arrow for longs and red arrow for shorts. We use the default settings. Bull-bear power trend is used as the first confirmation to enter the market. We need a green histogram for longs and a red histogram for shorts. We only need the histogram, so we have to uncheck the other items. Finally, buy and sell pressure gives us the final confirmation. Also we need a green histogram for longs and a red histogram for shorts. We only need the histogram, so we have to uncheck the other items. These are the rules for a long position. First, price must be above the 200 period EMA. Second, we need a blue arrow in half trend indicator. Third, bull-bear power trend histogram must be green. Fourth, buy and sell pressure histogram must be green. Finally, we place a buy order at the close of the candle. Then, we can place a stop-loss order at the middle line of the half-trend indicator. The take-profit order will be set at 2 times the risk. The rules for a short position are the opposite. First, price must be below the 200 period EMA. Second, we need a red arrow in half trend indicator. Third, bull-bear power trend histogram must be red. Fourth, buy and sell pressure histogram must be red. Finally, we place a sell order at the close of the candle. Then, we can place a stop-loss order at the middle line of the half trend indicator. The take-profit order will be set at 2 times the risk. That's all guys, I hope you liked the video. If so, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you soon.